Hello guys, my name is Adzim and today I'm going to talk to you about OOP project, Object Oriented Programming project. First and foremost, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Adzim ID 21642, taking Business Information System. Let's go to our first topic, which is UML diagram. As you can see here, my first class is a GUI. And in the attributes, there's a frame as JFrame, con as container, label as JLabel, box as J text field, red as button group, panel as JPanel, radio as JRadio button, AL as applicant list. At the right side, you can see the applicant list class. In the GUI, you are calling the applicant list class in the GUI. And in the operation, there's a submit operation, there's a clear operation, there's a display operation, and also an action perform operation. Action perform is used when you want to use action such as button click. And our next class is applicant list. In the applicant list, in the attribute, I already call an applicant data class in the applicant list class, and I'll set the applicant data as A. In the operation, there's a set and get operation, also include a display data operation that is used in the GUI, which the display from the GUI is calling the operation from the applicant list. Next is the applicant data. The applicant data, which I already told you about in the applicant list. In the applicant data, there's an attribute from many other class, which is FD as FDD, SP as SPM, SA as AM, PD as personal data, SF as study field. Those attributes are from the other class that are calling to put in one class. And as you can see, in the study field, there's a square bracket to symbolize as an array. In the operation, there's also a set and get. Next is our study field. In the attributes, there are field as string, college as string, duration as float. And there's also an SPM class. There is A plus, A minus, B plus, B, C plus, C, and D. And also SAM, CGP as float, A as integer, B as integer, C as integer. Next is personal data, name, race, IC number, address, corresponding address, telephone number, telephone mobile, day, month, year, gender, and also email. And next is FDD, CGP as float. Why most of this class has an operation that is set and get? Because we already declared the attribute as private, and this class personal data, FDD, SAM, SPM, and study field is put in the applicant data to store all the data in one class. Okay guys, let's continue with our application form that I already created in the Eclipse based on the UML diagram before. And now I'm going to key in this information. I'm going to click button here, and there's a message dialogues, data received, and this form is already declared an array, so I can input data as many as I want. So I click button clear, and the form will be clear. I will continue to put more information. Alright, I'm going to submit it, and that's also received. And now I'm going to show to you about button display. In the display form, there will be a message dialog that will be show the name and IC from the both data that I've already keyed in, which is the name is Adzim Azmi and the IC number from that data, and also name Abu Jamal and the IC number from that data. Alright, I'm gonna click OK and clear it again, and that is all for my explanation about my OOP project. Thank you for watching and have a great day.